Alright guys, today we have a different video. Now, for those who don't know, I've been a Mac user forever. I am an active Mac user, and I'm all Apple. And unfortunately, my 9-year-old MacBook Pro decided it was not going to live much longer. It has had stalling problems in the past, however recently, they've come back with a vengeance. And unfortunately, no matter what I do, it will not fix. I have tried everything, I've rebooted this thing, everything. When it runs iMovie though, or whenever it just gets really hot, stalls. Also, it was not in the best cosmetic shape. 2 of the feet fell off and I kind of just repaired them with tape. And the charger cord's falling apart though. I do like the magnetic charger, so I kept it. But today, we're gonna change that. I went to Costco under the Fiery Hot Deals page, and we can move this thing aside. It was a nice knowing you, Mac, but well, maybe we'll fix it with some cracked flaming hot lithium-ion batteries to fix the MacBook. So we're gonna open it and we're gonna unbox my flaming hot batteries. Oh wait, this isn't flaming hot batteries, isn't it? Ooh. Well, if you know what that means, I think that means MacBook Pro's getting replaced. But with what? Let's find out. I like how they have this thing. Let's open the box and see what is inside. If I think I know, I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. How does this open? Okay, it opens like this. Look at that. I bought a brand new, just as a replacement, MacBook Pro. Let's see, what do I get? Okay, good. Here it is. We're gonna unbox this computer. Beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm sorry, guys. I know, I am just like obsessing over this thing. Oh, it's got a pull tab. Premium. Just look at this though. Beautiful. Let's open it. Since I know people feel a certain bad thing when they like ripping slow packages, just for you. You disgust me if you feel like that when you rip plastic like that. But now, we're going to open this. Oh man, someone USPS knocked it or something. Okay, let's remove the plastic. And we will open the MacBook Pro. Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna set this down here so we can all... Oh! Here, I don't think this camera... No, you can't set it down. Never mind. But we're going to open the seal. First time opening, so it's very hard. Okay, and here it is. Ooh, look at this, space gray. Wow, this is beautiful. Here it is, and there's my document. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see what's in here. I'm assuming this is just like Apple stickers and stuff like that. Legal notices, the boring stuff, but we're gonna look at the boring stuff. Well, it looks like we got a MacBook Pro pamphlet. Yeah, with touch bar instructions. Energy Star, and my favorite Apple stickers. Hey, Grandma Otis, you want an Apple sticker? I probably will stick an Apple sticker on her now. There's a charging brick, which, okay, does have a pull tab. I'm sorry if this is crappy, guys. I'm just super excited. I've always wanted one of these. USB-C brick. It's a MacBook after all. And here's my new cord. I'm gonna miss that magnetic charger. I liked having the ability, like, you know, trip over the cord and not kill the computer. Though, why don't we talk about why I use MacBooks? Well, as my mom has always said, I have a Windows killing aura. I have killed every Windows computer I've ever been asked to use. No joke. I killed one on my first day of school too. I was never allowed to use a Windows computer there again. So we're gonna go ahead, put my MacBook on the desk. We're gonna plug it in. And then I'm gonna cut the camera because you guys do not need to see me setting it up, and I don't think you guys want my email. And if you do, you're a creep. Anyways, here's the power bar. There's the plug. It's on. Let's plug in the MacBook. I don't know if it has charge from manufacturing, so that's why I'm plugging it in. Let's see here. Sorry again about the crappy filming. Oh, I heard it start charging. Whoa, that is beautiful. And for those who feel weird, just for you, Apple logo. Look at this, guys. This is the first boot up that this machine has ever had. Wow. Again, I'm not going to show you setting it up. There are creeps out there. I don't think you guys need to know my Apple ID. And if you do, you're a creep. And that's it. I will be back once we set up this beautiful computer. Alright, I've gotten the computer up to my taste, as you can clearly see. We're just going to show some of the things that this computer can do. First, I think we should show off the audio. So, why don't we play a song that I think some of my older viewers will definitely know. Excellent speakers. Now, some of my really early viewers remember this. Now, why don't we show another song that I think will show some. This song. This is a good song to test with. Again, older viewers will know this one. And one more. This, if you watch my Christmas special at the Hilton Antle, you'll know this song. Those are some good speakers. And I think that's all for the speakers. Now, this computer I've noticed already, just by using it, it's a lot cooler than the old one. This thing used to get really hot. But you may be wondering, well, DF1, what are you going to do? You can't stick an SD card in there. I mean, we can try it, but no guarantees it's going to work. Here, why don't I demonstrate what happens if I try to stick an SD card? Doesn't seem to be fitting in there very well, does it? Well, we have a double unboxing! I bought this USB-C hub at Best Buy. It was really cheap, it was on sale. And we're gonna go ahead and plug it in and we're gonna test it too. Because, you know, I don't really like being scammed. But I bought I bought this one because it was in the same exact finish and it's for the MacBook Pro. So, that's like a double win. So we're gonna unplug the computer, plug in my super trendy, I guess it's technically a big dongle. And looks like we got power. What card is this? I don't want to use that card. Why am I so picky of which SD card I want to use? Well, the one I want to use is kind of in the camera right now. Here, why don't I find a good one? A juicy one. Oh, this is a good one. I don't think it's very juicy, though. Let's see. You gotta stick them in upside down in this one. I've had to use this one before. Yep, it seems to have noticed my SD card. So yeah, problem solved. Here, why don't I turn on the desk lamp? Sony Focus here. Desk lamp will help. But, yeah. Guess we can play a video. Let me see, what's a good video that I haven't uploaded? Oh, some of my old viewers will know this video. There, let's give a hint. That's actually a rare Dover voice. This is a US with a Dover controller on it. But yeah, if you guys want to go watch that, I'll put a link in the description. Though you don't have to because I'm not that type of YouTuber. But yeah, I will keep you updated on how this computer does. Hopefully it lasts 9 years. That 2011 MacBook lasted 9, and I bet if it wasn't so old, it probably could last another 9. But yeah, this is the brand new 2019 MacBook. I bought it from Costco on sale. $500 off. I think I got a really good deal on this machine. It's excellent so far. For those wondering, the specs, 256GB SSD and an i7 in here. No stickers though I probably would have peeled them off since those stickers drive me nuts. Also, another thing to note, this trackpad is huge. I've never seen a trackpad that big. I thought it was like a joke that they were this big, but no, they are actually that big. Also, I really love the touch bar and the fingerprint sensor. That's nice. Also, if you're gonna comment something like, my Dell Inspiron HP Alienware P47 Pro Notebook M5 has this processor in it, and this graphics card, which is 10 times better than the one on your stupid little Mac. Oh, and it also has this 4K monitor on it because it's a desktop, so I can also switch out my RAM, which is the best in the industry, with my NVIDIA B300002 graphics card. If you're gonna comment something like that, I am just gonna block you and delete your comment. Don't even bother. I am only wanting people in here who are gonna be respectful of my choices. If you're going to be disrespectful, don't even bother, okay? It's not cool. Doing that's called discrimination and being biased. That's not cool. But with that little, I guess that's a rant out of the way. I really like this computer so far. Again, we'll keep you updated as things go on. And yeah, that's it.